Hello everyone, let's start with the video. So in this video I'll be explaining check divisibility by digits in the product. So this was asked in weekly contest 495, sorry 459. So it says you are given a positive integer n, determine whether n is divisible by the sum of the following two. Okay, the digit sum of n, which means the sum of its digit. Okay, the digit product of n, the product of its digit. So return true if n is divisible by this sum, otherwise return false. Okay, what they are saying I will tell you. So let's say that we have n as 99. So if you try to take each digit, that is 99 in this case. So if you try to sum up, that is basically 9 plus 9 is 18. And if you try to do product 9 into 9, which is 81. So 81 plus 18 if you do sum of digits and product of digits if you do, that is 99, and 99 is divisible, this 99, I mean sum of the of the digits and product of the digits, like both divides properly. 99 by 99 is perfectly divisible. So in this case we'll return true. So if you consider, let's say this 20, I mean second example, n is 23. So digit sum is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Product is 6, 20 plus 6. If you sum up 5 plus 6 is 11. But 23 divided by 11 if you do, so that is not a perfect divisible. So that's why in this case we'll have to return false. So it's an easy problem only. So first we'll take sum as 0 and product as 1. Why 1? Because if you take product 0, then if you try to multiply digits with the product which is 0, so the answer will be 0. That's why we start with 1. So now we'll take int temp 10. Basically this 10 we'll have to keep it because at the end we'll have to check the divisibility. That's right. So while temp of n, which means temp is greater than 0 till the number exists. Now we'll take one reminder, or you can say digit, which is basically temp and modulo 10. This will give us the digit, the last digit. Basically if you, let's say temp 10 is 99, modulo 10 if you do, that will be 9, and temp 10 by 10 will do, because one digit you have taken, now we'll have to divide it by 10. Now in sum we will add this digit, and in product we will multiply this digit. At the end we have to return n modulo 10. So at the end we'll have to return n modulo sum plus prod, and that is, if it is equals to 0, which means it is perfectly divisible. If it is having some value, which means it has some remainder, it is not perfectly divisible. Let's try to run the code. Here it is running fine. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted and beats 100% of the user. So if you try to analyze the time complete with this, you may think of it is overflow, but it is not the case, because n is 10 power 6, which means it has maximum of 6 digits. So this loop is running constant time, and space we are using some variables, so it is also constant. So both time and space complexity is constant. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.